Throughout the vast wetlands, critical disposals exist to felonize and ridicule aquatic creatures in the ocean. The large issue faced here is the risk of extinction of multiple species caused by water pollution. Water pollution is defined as the presence of toxic chemicals and biological agents in groundwater that may pose a threat to human health or the biosphere as a whole. And who's to blame for this dastardly deed? None other than mankind. Every day, 2 million tons of untreated sewage water, largely from agricultural activities, is disposed into the world's oceans. A main contributor to this terrible phenomenon is the appliance of pesticides and fertilizer to our farms and just the plain dumping of garbage into the water. In fact, there's a gigantic accumulation of pollutants in the Pacific Ocean, 2 times the American state of Texas, known as the Pacific Trash Island. Why should we care, you may ask? Well, this trash that we release, such as microplastics, are then devoured by sea life, which we eat. This in turn allows those microplastics to enter our bodies and create harmful or even lethal problems for humans and the environment.
Possible future effects of the devastating environmental issue includes tens of thousands of animal deaths, which can devastate the food chain, cause algae blooms, and even halt to seafood supply or even harm to humans for eating pollution-affected sea life. On top of this, there will be a halted supply of clean water. Government reports in China say that at least 50% of rivers, lakes, and streams are unfit for consumption or even contact. Although the situation may seem dire, there is hope. Many laws around the world have been passed to regulate and hopefully one day force water pollution to a grinding halt. These laws have been proven to help provide severe punishments extending up to $1 million in fees in the state of New Jersey. Sadly, though, this crime is hard to catch and many polluters go unnoticed and unpunished.
1972 America, a flurry of amendments powered by public opinions led to the creation of the Clean Water Act. This law established the basics for regulating pollutant discharges into the waters of the United States, gave the Environmental Protection Agency the power to implement regulations on corporations, and made it illegal to discard any pollutants into the water. After this act was passed, all companies' waste products found in the water went down considerably. Later on, many laws were added or changed to the Clean Water Act. One momentous amendment was the Great Lakes Critical Programs Act of 1990. In this act, it was stated that the United States and Canada were to maintain the lakes at a consistent level of intoxicity, so that the lakes would never reach a level where human life and wildlife were hindered by it. These acts also hold true in our very own Barnegat Bay, where if found pollutant, the criminal will be fined or even jailed. The laws mentioned and many others around the world have made it so our planet Earth can stay clean as long as we abide to the rules. Crikey!